So how do you recover memories that you can't remember? How do you rewrite experiences that you don't know happened? How do you help aspects of consciousness come home to a new moment when you cannot connect with the moments that they are in affiliation with according to the neural data that they're experiencing projections from beyond awareness? How do you move forward with a life when you can't remember any of your life? How do you help this neural wiring start to have new connections so that consciousness can be expanded into its full self? And so at the beginning of 2021, I had absolutely no idea. But then by the end of 2021, I had not only discovered the most miraculous way to achieve all of this, but even more than that had been accomplished. And it is eternally astounding, and I'm so excited to share.